Hi ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Once again welcome back to the channel. This video is for Karnataka, how to download the death certificate online even without a registration number. Okay, this is a quick video. I will show you complete process. I will also show you how to pay it off, how much you have to pay off, how long you have to wait, and how to download the death certificate in your mobile itself. You can do from mobile or laptop. Open a Google search and search for service online space Karnataka, and this is the link you have to open, serviceonline.gov.in/Karnataka. I will give this link in my video description also. Okay, you can copy paste from there. So okay, first thing what I wanted to tell you is if you are a first time user, you have to register in this portal. So if you have not yet done, click the link above and know how to register in the service online portal. You can follow that video, and after registering you come back here and then do this process. So I have registered already. I'm going to enter my mobile number here, which I have registered with service online portal, and after that I'm going to click on the get OTP button. So as soon as you click on the get OTP button, you get an OTP like this, and you have to enter the OTP on your mobile. Okay, so after entering the OTP, you have to enter the CAPTCHA also. You can see here there will be a CAPTCHA number here. You can enter that number also. So apart from OTP, you have to enter CAPTCHA also here. Both things are required. After entering OTP and CAPTCHA, you have to click on the submit button. So after clicking on the submit button, you will get into the portal like this, and here left side on top you have to click on this 3-line icon button here, and you can see here apply for service. Okay, because you are going to apply for the death certificate. So click here for the first time. Now you can see view all available services. You have to click on this option. Let us see what are the available services here. When you click there, you can see here lot of services will be there. So let us quickly search through it. Okay, because there will be a lot of services. It's not easy. There is a search option here. You can click on this box and enter death. Only death is enough. You can see here 2 options will come, and the first one is application for death certificate. This is the option we are looking for. We are going to apply for death certificate. Just click there. Once clicking, you can get the option here like this. Okay, you have got 2 options to search the death certificate. First you are going to search, and then you are going to apply. For searching, you have 2 options. One is whether you have a registration number. You can click on yes button. If you are not having registration number, click on the no button. I will show you both the options, how to search for using both the options. First let us click on yes, imagining that you have a registration number. So you have to enter your registration number like this. It will be like this with year and stuff. I am giving the example. Click on the search button. Once you click on search, if your registration number is right, you can see here all the details will be there, like when the person's name, mother's name, father's name, death, when the death date, and registration number. You can see here all the details are there. This is one method. Now just imagine you don't have a registration number. You know only the details of the patient. What you can do is click on the no button. Once you click on the no button, you have 4 things to enter: date of death, name of deceased, and father's name, mother's name. Okay, so first click on the calendar icon and select date, then enter name of deceased, father's name, mother's name, and click on the search button. I will show you this example also. What you have to do is first click on the calendar icon here. There is a calendar button. Once you click on there, you get calendar like this. First you have to select the year here. You can click on the year button and select the year. Next you have to click on the month button and select the month. I will show you how it is. You can see here I selected year as 2015 for example, and I am selecting the month as December, and say 30th December is the date. Okay, just imagine, click on the 30. You can see here 30th December 2015. Now these things are important. You have to enter name of the deceased and father's name, mother's name. I am entering all the details and I am clicking on search button. If your details are correct, you can see here. If you do not know the registration number, you can get the registration number from here by search itself. You can see, so that you can keep it for later usage. You can see here all the details of the deceased person will be there. So now if the record is right, you can click on the yes button and start proceeding the application. So let us click an yes button here. And how many copies you need? I need only 1 copy. Okay, because the amount will be it's a soft copy, so let us not pay more. Only 1 copy is enough. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on the submit button here. So draft button is to save the draft whatever you filled in, but you can quickly fill it. You can click on submit itself, no need to save the draft. By default it will be saved. So after, you can see here by default a reference number came. Now click on the make payment button because you are going to pay for this online itself. Let us see how much we have to pay. You got two options, BillDesk payment and Paytm payment. Okay, I am selecting BillDesk. You can even select Paytm, it's up to you. You can see here the total amount, it is saying 5 rupees. Okay, if you are paying through BillDesk and NEFT, maybe again they will charge 5 for that, so it might be 10 rupees altogether, but that's okay. You can click on make payment again and click on OK. By default it will take you to BillDesk interface. You can see here you got 4 options, credit card, debit plus PIN and internet banking. I am going to select internet banking here, and you got all the banks, not only the 4 banks you are seeing on top. You can click on the select your bank option here. This is the best option because you can see a lot of banks. So whatever bank, whichever bank you are having the internet banking account, username and password, you have to select that bank only, and after that click on make payment button. So you are going to pay online for this. Okay, so let us click on make payment. So as you can see here, since I selected Kotak Bank, the interface of Kotak Bank will come. I have to enter my username and password for the internet banking. I entered it and click on proceed or whatever login. You can do from any bank, whatever bank you are having net banking. So you can see here when it is success, my bad luck, I got a payment is waiting message. I will show you. If you get this message, don't worry, nothing is going to happen. Again you click on the left top button here. Okay, once you get the message, and here when you click on left top button, sometimes page may not refresh. You can log out and log in, there is no problem with that. Okay, so I just logged out and logged in again. You can see here by default it comes here, and your application ID is there. You just click there. You see here your acknowledgement is downloaded. There will be a Sakala number. This is your application number. Please note it down. You take a screenshot or write it down. Maybe you may require later if something is gone bad. But clearly you can see here payment is successfully paid. Okay, so no worry about that. Once you log in again, it will be perfectly fine. Now you can even export to the PDF using this. Okay, so now next part is we are going to see how to download your, see now you have applied, and now how to see the status and download the birth certificate. Let us see that quickly. So for to download your birth certificate, what is the option? Now we have just applied only, so let us see the application stage. Okay, again you come back here, click on the left 3 icon button, and this time you go to view status of your application. Okay, click there. Previously we had applied, now we are going to view status, and under that track application status. This is the place you are going to click when you apply, after applying the death certificate. Okay, once you click there, you can see here there will be a date, like from when to when you have to search. If you have application reference number, you can enter it. Otherwise you can just click on the get data, because the from and to date is correct. Don't change it, it's okay. As you can see here, I had applied for both, and my death certificate application is here. I had applied previously for birth also, that's why it is showing 2 entries. And right side, if you scroll down, you can see here what is the condition under process. You can click on the under process button and you can see the details here. You can see here what is happening. My status is under process. Okay, that means I have just paid and applied for this, and I am waiting for the status. You just wait for 8 hours. I am checking my status after waiting for 8 hours. Okay, let us see what happens. I again go there, go into Seva Sindhu. You may not get an SMS and all. Just wait for 8 hours and log in again. Enter your username, mobile number and captcha and stuff. After entering, again we are going to check the status. Same thing we have done just before, but I am doing this after 8 hours. You remember that. Now come under this view status of your application, the same process you have done now, and after that select track your application status, and under clicking there you get dates from when to when you have to search for. Okay, let us see from when to when date is proper. You do not change anything, just click on directly get data. So when you click on get data, all your applications will be listed out. I had applied for death and birth. you can see here, click on the you can see the death certificate option. Just scroll right side. Okay, do not click on there. Right side, you can see here it says current status is delivered. Previously it was pending, right? Now you can say it is delivered. And one more point note, when did I submitted? 19th May, and when is the due date? 20th May. That means maximum date of your death certificate application is 1 day. I waited 8 hours only, so it's up to you, but you can check even after 1 day. So 1 day maximum you get the death certificate issued. You do not need to wait for many days. Just click on the delivered option here. Once you click on delivered, you get something like this, and here right side if you scroll, you can see here now it is delivered, and there is an output certificate option. Okay, just click on the output certificate and your death certificate gets downloaded. Okay, that's it. It is so easy. You can get it in 8 hours. You can see here it's digitally signed. You don't need to do anything. All signature, everything is proper, and you can just take a printout and proceed or show it anywhere. We have already pushed a video for birth certificate also. You can watch that if required. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you with another video.